Welcome to Engineering Clinic. In this video, we are going to see how to install Ubuntu 24.04 or any other distribution in as easy as possible in Windows 11 operating system. So, what I am planning to do is I am using the tool WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and the Linux OS distribution. What I am going to have it for today's session is Ubuntu 24.04. But there are so many other methods also. So, first you open the command prompt. So once you open the command prompt, you'll be getting like this and simply use WSL for the first time. So you can see WSL double hyphen list double hyphen online. It will be listing out all the distributions available in the Windows package. Now you can see Alma Linux, and the Debian is there, Fedora is there, OpenSUSE Linux there, Ubuntu there, and Kali Linux. If you are using backtracking penetration testing, you can have OpenSUSE is there, Oracle is there, Ubuntu versions are there. So we are going to use Ubuntu 24.04. So just copy the name, and now the next command is, you can see WSL double hyphen install distribution name, the name of the distro. So first clearing it, WSL double hyphen install, and whatever you copied, you pasted it, or I just type it without any spelling mistake. You can type it. So once you do that, within less than 2-3 minutes or less than 5 minutes, the entire Ubuntu will be installed. But it is a small copy of Ubuntu will be installed. As and when you go further, you can add all other packages. So for time being, you can access it terminal, but after updating the package manager, you can access it in GUI also. Now once it is done, it will be asking for the username for Ubuntu. So by default, it will give a username, but if the name is wrong, we can change it. So I create Pradeep Kumar and I give a password and retype the password. Don't forget the password. And once it is done, we are right away getting the Ubuntu terminal. Can see here Ubuntu terminal. That's it. Ubuntu is installed. And now by default, it shows Pradeep Kumar TS. That is the user of Windows. It shows. So this is a path to go into Windows. Windows. So if you want to copy file between Ubuntu and Windows, so this is the path you can able to do that. mnt/c/users/ Pradeep Kumar TS. Now this is the home folder of home user folder of users folder of Windows. And if you want to move to Ubuntu, simply type the command cd. But this is only for the installation, it will be getting this. But every time if you want to do it, you can right away you can log into Ubuntu straight away. Just open the window, open the command prompt, put WSL, you will get the Ubuntu. So now you can see we are in Ubuntu now. /home/Pradeep Kumar. Simply type the command cd to come to the Ubuntu terminal. And that's all. Now sudo apt update, which is a command of Ubuntu, and we are doing it very easily. So less than 5 minutes, you can able to do Ubuntu operating system in Windows. And so if you are a beginner, if you are a student just now started first year, you can able to use Ubuntu in this way, where you don't want to customize your laptop. But in case if you are, after a period of time, if you get accustomed to how to use Ubuntu, then you can think of partitioning your system into two halves, and one half you give it for Ubuntu, other half you give it for Windows, and that's how we can learn. So 8 GB RAM is allocated when we use the command. 8 GB RAM is allocated for Ubuntu, which is more than sufficient for the for operation. And here is this final video. So we can install it in less than 5 minutes. So that's what the challenge here. We just got it. And if use of VMware or use of VirtualBox might take some time, but that you will get a GUI window directly. But here everything you have to do through command line. But anyway, but there is a best way of learning Ubuntu working in command line. So hope you might be trying it very easily. So now in the next videos onwards, we will see what are the applications we can run on Ubuntu within this Windows operating system. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel in case if you are not, and send this video to your friends, your other fellow students, and other people, those who are really interested and keen to learn Linux, so you can make use of them. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I have given the commands. What are the commands I have used below the description window of my YouTube channel? I mean YouTube video. You can use the commands, copy paste, and then use it in your command prompt. So thank you, friends. Thank you. Bye.